What's up, everybody? What is up, everybody? PJ here, also known as Paul Jose. We're here, excuse the sweat. I just got done training with some of my teammates, and right now I'm gonna put you guys on how we can improve the floater, which is a really good touch shot that a lot of undersized guards can use, especially as a counter to the pull-up or the layup. The main things we wanna focus on when going off this, whether it's 2 feet, 1 foot, left hand, right hand, is when we use the ball and we go up, we wanna literally throw the ball up with the touch that when it gets released, it's like we're high-fiving the air. So we're here and we push straight up. The more we do like a more of a runner for this drill, it's a completely different shot, and usually our shot will be flat and we won't be able to get it off as high easier when it comes to a lot of shot blockers that are athletic. So we're here, out. Another thing coming off this angle, when you come off the right especially, you wanna act like sometimes that you're looking the other way, so then the help defense can kind of get off guard. As soon as they're here, we can turn and go up. So we're here, off the lift, look this way. We'll do a better one, again, emphasizing that push. Out, look this way. Out, you can do it in and out if you want. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the counter moves, tending that the defense takes away that move, so we have to do any move that brings us in the opposite direction, and then we're going for the 1 foot or 2 foot floater. Catch it, let's just say, we're here, out, and then float up, coming off the hip swivel. So we're here, delay, We're gonna literally go left, right, and then go up, just like a regular right hand pull-up. The only difference is, this works for me, getting off 2 feet to explode up, is when we shoot the floater, it can also be right, left if we're in our move. But however it ends up is our left foot's gonna be in front a little bit more than our right side when we're shooting with the right hand. Why? Because again, we're able to get back to the main concept where we just explode up, palm facing up, arm fully extended. When it comes to the left side, it's the same idea. We're either gonna go right, left to go up. The main idea is that we want for the left side, when it's a left-hand floater, is we got the right foot in the front, left leg in the back. If we do like the opposite, what I was saying, if it's right foot, left leg, right hand floater, or vice versa, it's gonna be very awkward where the arm is gonna be very short, or we're gonna flick the wrist like a regular jump shot. The floater is completely different from a pull-up. And we're out. Don't think of the move that you're gonna do before you even catch the ball. Have an idea, but don't do it exactly how you picture it, because we gotta see how the defense is gonna react first. Don't be so robotic. We go here. Oh, so the way. Yep. Out, crossed. Here. Hopefully what I just did with the floater helped with you guys. You guys learned a piece or two from it. Again, this is my technique of what I find useful for shooting floaters. One of the most essential things for undersized guards. It's just a touch shot that we can get off at any given moment, just using deception, and we can even get it off on athletic shot blockers. What may work for me, may not work for you, but I'm just sharing a piece of knowledge I learned within my experience with basketball so far. Much love.